As always, my students ask the best and most interesting questions. Today we have one with reflexive verbs when we involve body parts. Coming up. Hello my friend, my name is Claire and I am here to teach you French with a smile. So, you can use a reflexive verb like se fracturer, and if it is a reflexive verb, as you know, the rule is that the auxiliary in the composed tenses will be être. Otherwise, you could use fracturé, the meaning is slightly different, and here it is not a reflexive verb, it is not a motion verb which requires the auxiliary to be, therefore, the auxiliary is avoir, to have, in the composed tenses. Fracturer means to break. Se fracturer, there is this idea that it is on your body. Fracturer, there is a movement towards outside of you. So fracturer, something outside of you. You see the difference? For instance, il s'est fracturé la hanche la semaine dernière. Reflexive verb. Il s'est fracturé. Auxiliary is to be. I'm not going to say il s'est fracturé sa hanche. It will be redundant, my friend, because we already know it is on himself because of the reflexive verb, because we have il s'est fracturé, S apostrophe. Now, if I say il a fracturé, it could be il a fracturé something or someone else's body part, okay? But here it is sa hanche. And this is fine here. I can use sa hanche because I said before, il a fracturé. So it could be sa hanche, ta hanche, ma hanche, it could be for him or for someone else. So here we need to precise sa hanche. You see? Il s'est fracturé la hanche, il a fracturé sa hanche la semaine dernière. Another great example. It's going to be very clear, I promise. When you use the verb se laver and laver. So first, se laver, it means you are washing yourself, you are taking a bath or a shower. Laver, it is towards the outside. You could help a child to take his or her bath, laver un enfant. You could wash the dishes, laver la vaisselle, but it's not your body. It's something else. But if we use to wash one's hands, you could say se laver les mains. So it is not just se laver. Se laver, it is a whole body. Se laver les mains. You could say se laver les cheveux, se laver le visage, se laver les pieds, whatever. You precise which body part, because se laver means the whole body otherwise. Se laver les mains, not se laver ses mains. You are not going to say twice that it is on your body. Or you can say laver ses mains. To precise, it's you. Je me lave les mains, or je lave mes mains. But I could be washing my child's hands. Je lave les mains de mon enfant. You see what I mean? So, se laver les mains, auxiliary être. Laver ses mains, or laver les cheveux de ma voisine, whatever, auxiliary avoir. Let's see sentences. Elle s'était lavé les mains dans l'ancienne salle de bain de sa grand-mère. Reflexive verb. Se laver les mains. Or, elle avait lavé ses mains dans l'ancienne salle de bain de sa grand-mère. Auxiliary is to have, laver. Laver quoi? Ses mains à elle. She had washed her hands in her grandmother's former bathroom. Elle s'était lavé les mains dans l'ancienne salle de bain de sa grand-mère. Elle avait lavé ses mains dans l'ancienne salle de bain de sa grand-mère. Let me know in the comments if my explanations are clear, my friend. Alright? If not, I will make another video. Let's repeat that sentence once again for pronunciation practice. Elle s'était lavé les mains dans l'ancienne salle de bain de sa grand-mère. Elle avait lavé ses mains dans l'ancienne salle de bain de sa grand-mère. Congratulations, you did it! Fantastic! So, the slides on frenchwithasmile.net. The one-to-one lessons, if you want to dive deeper into French language, on Preply, clairesamuel.fr/Preply. The link is below for you. I'm not the only one to teach over there, so check it out. Okay, now we see you very soon on French with a Smile. Bye-bye!